channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today we're gonna talk about the strapless bra. I know every lady owns at least one strapless bra. So today we're gonna talk about its problems and how to fix it. Keep watching. Now, so as we all know, one of the main problems with the strapless bra is that it falls sometimes as you walk about. When you're outside and busy and all that, and you realize that your bra is, falling down like that, and sometimes by the time you realize your bra is here, which is not so cool. So today I'm gonna give you the tips and tricks to make your strapless bra perfect and how you're even gonna choose your strapless bra. Now, the first tip I'm going to give you is to choose one size less if you're choosing a strapless bra. For example, if you are a 36B, when buying your bra, choose a 34 or 35B because it's going to give you a firmer hold. Usually, as you walk about and move in the day, especially if you sweat, it absorbs some of the moisture and it expands a little bit. That is why you see it falling off. So if you're choosing a strapless bra, make sure you choose a size or two less. Now, if you're choosing it, look at the back here, look at the closure at the back here. Look at the hooks here. It shouldn't be only one line. It should be about two or three. This one has like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you all know that as time goes on, as you wash it and everything, it becomes a little bigger. So as it becomes bigger, you can tighten it a little bit. So if you have it here and you wash it after some time and it becomes a little bigger, you can move to the second one. If it becomes bigger, you can go to the third and to the fourth. So it is advisable to choose the bras with a lot of options when it comes to the closure, the hooks in the back. Also, when you're choosing it, make sure the cap, the metal here, the hole, this one is very important. Make sure it is hard enough. You find some bras with some strapless bras with the holes here, which is not so hard, and this doesn't give you the good hold. If you put on the bra like that, it doesn't give you a very good hold, so it becomes weak and your boobs can easily fall out of it, which is not so cool, and we don't want that. So when we're choosing, we should make sure the metal here, the hold, is hard enough and it is malleable. You can bend and close it. It shouldn't be stiff though. You should be able to regulate it to your cap size. You should be able to bend it if you want to, and you bend it to the size of your boobs, and you can just hold it, wear it like that. You understand? If you wear the bra and you realize that it doesn't hold you down there enough, you can just bend it like that. If it's bendable, you can just bend it like that, and as you can see, the cap here becomes a little more hollow, so it gives you a firmer support as compared to this one. Okay, another very important thing that people ignore when buying strapless bra is the plastic you see over here. Yes, it is not just for decoration or for fun. It is very important. You realize, as I said in the beginning, that one of the main problems with the strapless bra is that when you walk in, it falls off. Now, this plastic thing you see here, if you're buying a bra, this plastic thing you see here adheres to your skin, especially if it is hot and you sweat a little bit. So it adheres to your skin, it sticks to your skin and gives you that firm hold. If it doesn't have that plastic, ladies, it's easily gonna fall off, because if it is cotton or nylon or whatever, and it touches your body, especially when you sweat, it's easily gonna fall off, it's easily gonna go down. But this plastic you have lining here, this plastic you have over here, will touch your skin and hold the skin, so it's gonna hold the bra in place. This is gonna prevent it from falling down, so make sure you choose the one with the plastic. Also, when you put on your strapless bra, check out for the the fabric in the middle. Look, if you put on your strapless bra like this, if you put on your strapless bra like this, you know, like so, make sure this fabric here is lying flat on your chest like that. It shouldn't be standing. If it is standing a little bit, you would have to adjust this cup and make sure it is lying flat, because there, you know, some of the plastic is on the side, and this side too is supposed to hold and adhere to your skin. So if you're putting it on, make sure this middle fabric is lying flat on your chest like that. Then you can move about and feel free and jump and do whatever you want to without having to, you know, you see some ladies outside, sometimes you see them try to pull up their bra, which is not so cool. So if you fix your strapless bra very well, you are not going to have any of these problems. It's not going to fall down, it's not going to come up, and you're going to be comfortable walking about and jumping about outside. Okay guys, so I hope you now know how to choose a strapless bra and the correct way to choose a strapless bra. So I hope your bra is not going to fall out anymore, or it's not going to fall down anymore. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, suggestions, contributions, leave them in the comment section. If you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.